Today I'm reviewing this pet slow feeder. It comes nicely packaged. It comes this nice orange shape. You can put the food in there, and with the nubs they kind of have to eat around it. It's nice ceramic, dishwasher safe, oven safe, microwave safe, and then it has this part right here is a little textured so it doesn't slide as much. I'm going to go ahead and put some food in it and see how it works. As you can see here, I have some dry food laid out and it works perfectly good for that. They can't just scarf it all up in one bite. They have to eat around the little nubs, and the bowl looks stylish. It also works for wet food. You do have to spread it out a little bit more than I did, but you can see she's eating carefully and not too fast, and that is the whole point of this dish, and for that reason it works well. I do want to point out in my introduction I didn't show on the bottom that it comes with these little silicone feet that stick on and work well, and that also provides it with a more non-slip surface and more protection against whatever flooring or wherever you place the bowl. I noticed them after reviewing the video and taking the box out, so be sure to look for those. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.